Hi, this is Anushka Sharma and you're watching me on BollywoodHangama.com.
We have with us pretty and vivacious Tani ji in a very special meet and greet with Bollywood Hangama.
Thank you. Thank you for having me.
You've become a household name with just one film. How do you feel about that?
Incredible. Something that was unexpected. And if it can reap such an outcome that there is today, I feel on top of the world.
Had you ever envisaged that you'll be paired opposite Shah Rukh Khan in your first film?
Never, like this whole movie and just me coming into this film and to this film particularly, it was something I'd never ever expected. Like I've never said that I want to be an actress. I've never had those aspirations. But I got this film. And Shah Rukh, I could have never thought of this.
Left leg, right leg, piche, acha yara, let's start the way.
Your number Dance Pe Chance, it's become a rage nationwide and internationally as well. How do you feel that each time when it plays on television, reality TV and everywhere, how do you feel about that?
Feels good. I think you're right. I mean, that song has been attached to me now. So anywhere I go, that's, I guess, the connect, that people have. Which is great to be able to achieve this in your very first film. So I feel fantastic.
What is the best thing about Tani ji that you think that connected with the audience worldwide?
Tani was a very real person. Someone you can, in fact, the whole film, even Suri's character, they're true people, they're real people you can connect with. There's no fakeness, unnatural around them. It's all just real, true people you're showing as characters. I think any woman can connect with Tani and any man can connect with Suri. That was the intention that Adi always had, to make it look like a very real and believable film. So I think that's the reason why, people also had that connect with me and my character.
First film, your director is Aditya Chopra, one of the finest directors that we have. How was the experience? I think it must have been a learning experience for you.
Absolutely. He is a fantastic person and a fabulous director. I love Dilwale Dulhaniya Le Jayenge. And then I'm being directed by the same director. I mean, just imagine me and any other girl in that state. It's a great feeling. So the most important thing that I'd like to say about Adi is that, he never for once made me feel like I am doing something new and for the first time. He always treated me as an actor, as how an actor would be treated on set. Never kind of gave me too many instructions. Never told me just one thing has to be done particularly in that way. You can't do it, even a little bit different from that. Never. He just threw the scene at me and said, how would you do this? And I would do it and show it to him, and then he would probably change it if he thought it was not right or accept it the way it was done. So I guess the confidence that he showed in me speaks volumes about him as a director.
What are the kind of films that you've grown up on?
I have not watched too many films. I've never been a movie buff so much. But there are a few films I'll tell you I really liked. I love Dilwale Dulhaniya Le Jayenge. I love Dil Se. I think I've seen Kuch Kuch Hota Hai, DDLJ and Hum Aapke Kaun umpteen numbers.